Right Honorable and most distinguished Senator in the pipeline for the Central of Anambra State, the pioneer founder, one of the pioneer founders of our great party, the All Progressive Grand Alliance, the man whose head has received many chieftaincy titles here in Africa, the man whose doggedness and individualism has made Africa what it is today, Chief Sir Honorable Victor Ume of Amadik Africa. Yeah. Africa. Let me also thank in no small measure this great man of excellence, this eminent personality who has found it fit to call us here together, not only to enjoy the fruit of our labor, not only to thank God for giving us the overwhelming victory, the first of its kind in Africa, the first of its kind in Nigeria, the first of its kind in Anambra State. Winning 21/21 is not an easy task. Your people earlier had called you Osisiego. They called you Obakana Abanudumi Abanokochi. They called you Amulonyenego. They called you Omenokako. They called you Ogalanyobiota. Ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together for Chief Ben Amuta, the oil minister, the convener of this great gathering. In council, you know.
We be alone and member. We were 21% to 21, now 100%. I went to Maria, no more than 100%. Apple Robiambo, not Apple Rombo, Madame Lucas, even a Satonia, even a member, Sitobia, even a Rombo, wow, Emma, money were 100% election. And we're not only my care. When I was in here, when I now you go Victor Ume or Amadik. Bujaman, Batiano, Linia. Who was Senator Gaima and run up Senator. Or also Yasso. Yes, when I want to know that I don't know. You can do not I tell you what this was. I don't know. When I get to put it on and I am a kind of man. When I get to go and lie, I never when I know. Well, Bambo, and let the lion attacking of Kiruan. They all die, I am Senator. I am when I go news. But I am going to my young, or when I say, when I was called I don't mind. Ọ̀gá àgbà yà Senator. Ẹ̀dùnkú yà máa mọ̀ ní ìwà ọmọ ilé ẹ̀dùnmá kọ́ ní ìjẹ́. Àgbàgbọ́ náà ní ìjẹ́. Na ma ọ jẹ conference ọ jẹ Gambo jẹ federal conference. Na Abuja. Ó lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ìbò ọ̀fúnma náà ọ̀fúnma. Kúta ọdún ní ìbò. Ní èkúta yẹ ẹ̀wẹ́. East gẹ̀wẹ́. State C. Òtútù ọ̀sán sì wẹ̀ ẹ̀wẹ́. Ọ̀yà wọ̀ ní ìdìbò yẹn. And I'm not taking that. No matter, no matter, I am well state is in. And when I look here, yeah, my money go, my dear food. 12 years go by. Yeah, but the last working. Don't I can you? no one has. We put on a honey. I remember I was going to when I have a year, second one has. All the same, that is to say, oh, you know, them, I know, so in the duty. That is to say, open up my brother. You can hear us in the world. I was not allowing them another.
Oh no,